What real financial freedom looks like is calm money that quietly supports your life, not flashy spending. Here you will learn how 3 simple patterns have held you back and how tiny shifts can make money feel steady and safe. Financial freedom is not about a huge number, it is about a calm base. Most people think financial freedom means having millions and never working again. Because that picture feels so far away, your brain quietly gives up and says, why even try? So you drift. Money comes in, money goes out, and you hope it will somehow work out. Instead, think of financial freedom like a quiet base camp, not the top of the mountain. At base camp, your basic bills are paid. You have a small safety cushion, and you can handle a surprise bill without panic. You still work, but you are not in money emergency mode every week. Imagine a simple picture. Your rent, food, and transport are one small box. Above that is a tiny box for a cushion, maybe 1 month of those costs. Once those boxes are filled, you already have your first level of freedom. 3 easy steps help. First, write down your true monthly basics on one page so you can see your real base camp number. Second, aim to save just 1/3 of that number as a first mini cushion. Third, every time you earn extra, send a slice straight to that cushion before you see it in your spending account. If you do this, you will start to feel calmer because you know exactly what your first level of financial freedom looks like, and you will see yourself getting closer instead of just guessing. Buying freedom feelings today keeps real freedom far away. Many people try to feel free by spending. You feel stressed, so you order food instead of cooking. You feel bored, so you buy a new game or outfit. For a short moment, you feel light and free, like money rules do not exist. Then the bill arrives and the feeling flips into worry. This happens because your brain likes quick rewards more than slow safety. It says, I want to feel better right now, future me can deal with this later. Financial freedom is the opposite. It is future you sending a thank you note back in time because past you did not use money only for quick feelings. To shift this, use tiny moves. First, before any non-essential spend, pause for 10 seconds and ask, will this make me happier next week, or only for the next 10 minutes? Second, create a fun money box, even a very small one, that you are allowed to spend on treats with zero guilt. This way you still have joy, but inside a limit. Third, when you want to buy a new thing, try a 1-week wait rule. Save the item in a list. If you still really want it after a week and it fits your plan, then buy it. If you do this, you will notice that you enjoy your treats more, your guilt drops, and your savings grow at the same time, which is what real financial freedom feels like. Freedom grows from simple systems, not from willpower bursts. A huge reason people stay stuck is that they try to rely on willpower. They say, this month I will be good with money, and then life happens. Bills pop up. You feel tired. You forget to move money to savings. Without a system, every choice is a fresh battle, and battles are exhausting. Financial freedom in real life looks boring in a good way. Money moves around almost on autopilot. You decide the rules once, and then the system does the heavy lifting, like a tiny robot assistant for your bank account. Here is a simple version. Imagine that there are 3 jars or 3 boxes. One is for must-pay things, like rent and food. One is for safety, like savings and debt paydown. One is for fun and future, like hobbies and big dreams. Each time money comes in, decide a simple percent for each box. For example, $60 for must-pay, $20 for safety, $20 for fun and future. Then set automatic transfers in your banking app so the money moves into the right boxes on its own. Add one tiny habit on top. Once a week, look at your 3 boxes for 5 minutes. No huge spreadsheet, just a quick check-in. Ask, did my system run this week? Do I need to adjust the percentages a little? If you do this, you will slowly feel like the boss of your money instead of its employee. And that steady control is what real financial freedom actually looks like, day to day. For more simple lessons on how money works, watch more of our videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.